At the core, is CCAT still all about helping manufacturers in the United States and in Connecticut and the Northeast be competitive globally in terms of quality of output and what we're able to do to maintain kind of our ability to manufacture and the jobs related to that? Is
Absolutely.
that still the core of what CCAT's
That's the core mission absolutely is to service the supply chain. And we do that we get takedowns from the government, then you get takedowns from the large global industrial companies. You take their lead about where they're going, where they're going to be in the next 5 years, where they're going to be in the next 10 years. CCAT has to be very uniquely focused on those leading edge technologies and make sure that the supply chain is looking at them, understanding them, adopting them. So when the new parts come out, when the new engine designs and things come out, these supply chain companies are ready to provide the products and services to them, or that work will migrate elsewhere.
Right.
And we've seen that around the country.
What's takedown?
We're just taking the lead from them. So
Okay,
the
got it.
technologies that they're advancing, a lot of stuff, as you can imagine, comes from government. So Oak Ridge Lab in Tennessee is probably one of the top labs for the Air Force. There's certain entities around the U.S. that are the driving force behind the fundamental type of research that's done. UConn does some tremendous fundamental research. CCAT is applied research. So we're taking what's done fundamentally and we're determining, okay, now how do you best use this?
Fundamental meaning, not to poo-poo it, but sort of pie in the sky, like just creating some conceptual idea of what could be, how it could work from a technology standpoint. And CCAT is like the application end of it, saying, here's this great concept. Let's see how we can actually put that to actual use or something?
Exactly. So if you take like materials, that's the easiest thing to do. So they'll be looking at materials, hybrid materials. Once they have one, how do you use it? How do you machine it? What tools, what technologies do you use? And then what's the best platform for that new alloy that a fundamental researcher might have come up with? So it's like, how do you use it? And it's kind of a basic technology transfer platform. Mid-stage TRLs, technology readiness levels, push it out to the late stage and the early stage manufacturing readiness levels. Okay. That's the end game.
And CCAT's the rubber meeting the road of getting that technology to be useful in a manufactured way, be able to process it, mill it, machine it, shape it, whatever needs to be done to take it and apply it in real worlds.
Right. We provide that end solution that can now go into the supply chain and say, here's how you do it. This is the machine you need. This is the process you need. This is the material you're going to use. Go to it. Now you can be a great, high quality supplier to the tier ones and government platforms.